A photo. 70. 80. Grandparents. A grandmother. A grandfather. Between. Next to. A photo. A phone. Is this a picture of your house? Yes, it is. This is a picture of our house. Is this a photo of your grandparents? Yes, it is. This is a photo of my grandparents. What is the color of your brother's bedroom? The color of my brother's bedroom is blue. Is she your son's school teacher? Yes, she is. She is my son's teacher of French. What is the name of the country between Spain and Germany? The name of the country between Spain and Germany is France. That's a photo of my grandparents. How old are they? They are 81, but in this photo they are 23. Who's the small girl between your grandmother and your grandfather? That small girl is my mother. That's a photo of my grandmother. How old is she? She is 83, but in this photo she is 71. Who's the man next to your grandmother? The man next to my grandmother is her brother. That's a picture of my grandmother. How old is she? She's 85, but in this picture she is 73. Who are the people next to your grandmother? The people next to my grandmother are her friends. That's a photo of my grandparents. How old are they? They are 79, but in this photo they are 29. Who is the boy between your grandparents? The boy between my grandparents is my father.